How to skip Meta verified waitlist. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, what you can simply do is tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. As you do that, tap on the three lines over here at the top right corner of the screen. As you do that, tap on the account center. And then scroll down to the very end, and here you can see the option of show your profile is verified. So tap on it, and as you tap on it, you'll be able to see the option of join waitlist. So if you're ready to wait, then you can just tap on join waitlist and you'll be getting some time to be Meta verified. But if you do not want to wait and you just want to have your Instagram verified, then what you can simply do is go back and then tap on the search bar and search for request. As you type on for the request over here, tap on request verification, and if you have a good amount of followers on your Instagram, then you can simply just apply for the Instagram verification by typing on your full name, your document type over here. You can select driver's license, passport, national identification card, tax filing, recent utility bill, or articles of incorporation, and then you can confirm the notability by mentioning your country, your audience, and showing your link as well. And then tap on submit, and you'll be able to skip the Meta verified waitlist. So if you do not have a large number of followers, then the chances of you getting verified might be a little low, but if you have good amount of followers, then this method might work for you. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.